Here's how you can study in the UK with 8 practical and simple steps. 1. Decide on the study program. Firstly, decide which program interests you, whether it's a bachelor's or master's degree. Choose programs that help for a successful career. 2. Shortlist universities. Once you've decided on the program, shortlist few universities that offer the program in the UK. 3. Apply for the university. Start applying for the shortlisted universities. If you've finalized just one university, you can apply for it. 4. Take the IELTS exam. If the university needs an IELTS score to apply, you can take the IELTS or skip the language test. Many universities in the UK accept applications without IELTS. However, you must have scored at least 70% in the English language in the 12th grade. 5. Wait and receive the offer letter. Now, wait till you receive the confirmation of acceptance, CAS, from the university. CAS is also called an acceptance letter. Once you receive it, you can apply for a student visa. 6. Apply for a student visa. You can now start applying for the student visa, which involves writing a statement of purpose, SOP, and other visa processes such as biometrics, police verification, and document submission. 7. Arrange the funds. When you're about to study in the UK, you must prove to the visa officers that you have enough funds to support yourself while you study and live in the UK. 8. Plan your accommodation. Now that you've finalized the university, you can start planning your accommodation on campus or off campus. You're now ready to travel and study at your dream university in the UK. Get in touch with CanApprove to learn more about studying abroad.